Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will tell you how to get more viewers on Twitch. So I'm going to tell you some tips that might help you. Let's start it. First one is invite friends and family. One of the easiest way to have viewers in your past stream is by inviting people that you know in your real life. Stream at the right time. Not everyone has the luxury to choose when they can stream, but there are times throughout the week that are better to stream than others. Promote on social media platform. There are many other social media networks where you can cross promote your Twitch channel. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok allow video posts. So there are excellent places to tease content and attract people to your stream. Post your streaming opinion, the things you are enjoying, share some clips and engage with other streamers. Start a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel will require the most work out of everything in this list, but it has the potential for the biggest reward. The content you create should relate to your stream in one way or another. My recommendation would be to create guides for the video game that you enjoy the most. Do a giveaway. Giveaways are a quick way to gain viewers to your Twitch channel if done correctly. You can gift a video game, subs to a Twitch channel, or even gift cards. There's a countless thing you can give away, but you will want to promote the giveaway in advance. You should talk about it in your channel and promote it on social media far in advance to generate hype. You want people excited to show up to your stream because they know there's chance that they might win something. So that's for today. Hope these tips will help you. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.